truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one.
Guys, Green Panda here, back at it again with another video. And today, I got another fidget spinner unboxing right now. One of them is a LED light up fidget spinner. One of them is a glow in the dark fidget spinner. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Yeah, here we go. Let's open the glow in the dark one first. There we go. These are from Target, by the way. There was a bunch more there that were dope. But yeah, here it is right here. It's kind of loud. Spins pretty good. Pretty dope. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna try to make it light up for y'all. I can see it starting to glow. It's not dark enough though. It's glowing though. Yeah, it's glowing. But yeah, so this one does work. Now it's time for the LED thing. It did, Amber. Now it's time for the LED light up fidget spinner. Yo, I have so many fidget spinners right now. Darn it. There we go. Oh, here it is. Shoot, sorry, y'all. Here it is right here. It's really light. The heck, this one won't light up. I'll try and get it to light up. There we go. Oh yeah, y'all can take these out really easily, the little bearing things. It's hard to get back in though. Yeah, I swear, I take it out, it glows or whatever. No, it's not. I'll be right back. I had to push it in better. It's glowing now. This one's actually really cool. It lights up and it's really light, and you can take these out easily, but it's kind of hard to get them back in. This one's good. Alright, now it's time to see how long they spin. I'm just gonna do it like this time, so here we go. So I started this video, the second one, I started spinning at 28 seconds. Right now it's at 40. Yeah.
Can I see one?
Yeah.
This one good?
Yeah.
Loud.
Yeah.
Not balanced either. Is it?
Not really. No, it spun until 1 minute 26 seconds. If I'm not mistaken, and I'm not mental, that spun for 20. Not my bad. 1 minute. So now we get to do LED one. Start at 15 seconds. 15. There we go. This one's way loud on this table. I'll be right back, though. Y'all, that's until 1 minute 39 seconds. This one I think spun longer than this one. So yeah, I'll be right back. Y'all, if I'm not mental and if I can do math, that spun for like one. Hold on, y'all. I feel stupid. Yeah, that spun for, I'm pretty sure, 1 minute and 24 seconds. So yeah, I'll be right hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share. Comment if you like my rose tattoo thing I made. And also comment if you like my new shirt, my new pants, and my shoes that are not new. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Oh yeah, 50 subscriber giveaway. I'm probably gonna start entering people, or people are gonna start entering themselves in the giveaway. All you have to do is turn on post notifications, subscribe if you're not, comment and like the video, comment that you did all 3 of those things, and y'all, you have a chance at winning the giveaway. I might do fidget spinner since I have so many. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and peace out.
When I met her in the club, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt.